Hello everyone, welcome back to DC House Tech Talk. If you're upgrading your golf cart to lithium, one question must be on your mind. What actually guarantees the safety of a battery? Today, through a real teardown, we'll show you the core safety architecture behind the DC House sheet metal lithium battery. First, let's talk about the casing. The DC House 48V 100 Ah golf cart lithium battery features a sheet metal casing. Utilizing the natural high strength of metal, it provides excellent impact and collision resistance. At the same time, sheet metal offers superior thermal conductivity to quickly dissipate heat from the cells. More importantly, its high temperature resistance and flame retardant properties build a stronger physical barrier for battery safety. Of course, the casing is just the first layer of protection. What truly determines safety is the internal structural design. Most people are familiar with the cells in the BMS, but inside the battery, there's an often overlooked yet critical structure, the cell fixture. Why is it necessary? During long-term use, lithium cells may experience slight expansion. Without structural confinement, these deformations can accumulate, not only affecting performance and shortening lifespan, but in severe cases, it could also impact the function of the cell's safety vent. Therefore, DC House integrates a metal fixture inside. The entire cell stack is secured by 2mm thick metal end plates on both sides, and 16mm stainless steel screws. This design distributes clamping force evenly across the entire stack, effectively constraining cell expansion. At the same time, it keeps the cells stable during transport, vibration, or bumpy conditions, preventing internal movement. For golf carts that often run on complex terrain, this is actually a very important safety feature. So, the true safety of a battery is never just about the casing material. It's a complete safety system built on structural design, casing protection, and the battery management system. If you're looking to upgrade your golf cart to lithium, understanding these designs will help you make a more informed choice. If you want to see more tech, teardowns, and tests of golf cart lithium batteries, make sure to subscribe to DC House Power. We'll see you in the next video.